Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hello. Welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are just seeing me for the first time, my name is Medlock. Yes, and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. See, in case you are new here, you just see my face for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. Just hit the subscribe button and join us on this channel, because this is a great family where we learn simple solution to life. Anything ranging from spirituality, physicality, yes, relationship, business, money, anything that, any kind of problem that troubles you, we look for how to provide simple solution to it on this channel. Okay, so if you are new here, you are not in the wrong place. Congratulations, at least you made it to this channel. So please subscribe to our channel, okay, and let us ride in this place together. So this morning I'm bringing something. I've been looking for this particular leaf. I've been looking for this leaf for a very long time. Yes, if you can have this leaf, you are blessed. This leaf, this is leaf. You can see it. It's just a leaf. It's a herb, okay? But it's one of the most scarce herbs I have searched for in a very long time, because you don't need to add anything. All you need is just this leaves. I am not advertising this to you, okay? I just want to talk to us about this, okay? So this leaf, this is called the leaf of good luck, the leaf of favor. Yes, this leaf, if you have it, for example now, you are a mother or you are a lady. Yes, you are a lady and you are growing, you're of age, and nobody is coming for your hand in marriage at all. As in, nobody is coming to ask for your hand in marriage. But some, it is a matter of choice. Yes, you can be choosy and decide not to just get married on time, or maybe you've not seen the kind of person you actually vibe with. The person that you actually want to, like, okay, you settle down with. You understand? You're taking your time, but people are coming. That one is different. But in a situation whereby nobody is saying, hey girl, how are you? That one is marriage. Okay. Even as a man, yes, as a guy, some men are suffering from bad luck. Yes. No woman, no matter if you like, carry Lamborghini, carry your private jet, no matter what you have, women will be turning you down. You'll be like, kilo day, what is happening? What's wrong with me? You understand that kind of thing? So there are situations like that. So if you are that type of man or that type of lady that nobody is saying, what are you selling? How are you? What is going on? You understand? Then this leaf is for you. You have daughters, they are of age, and you are becoming worried. Nobody is coming for their hand in marriage. This leaf is for you. And again, if you are into business, maybe you have online kind of business, you arrange your goods, you post them online, nobody is following you to say, what are you selling? That reminds me, a friend of mine sent me a message, After calculating the whole money, and she said, send me your account number, whatever. Phew, I was on another page. From there, 3 days, 4 days, going to 1 week. She now sent me a message that caught my attention. She said, Medilock, I want to key into your grace. The grace whereby customer is holding his money, want to pay you, but you will not respond to the customer. So, in fact, I want this type of, the kind of grace you have, I want to have it. Guys, I want to share with everybody. Yes, I want to share my grace with everybody. So, don't worry, okay? As we continue to move together on this channel, we continue to roll out everything. Here, we don't hoard information and we don't give information half-length. Any information I want to come and teach you here, I teach you everything from A to Z. You follow it, you get results. And even if you do this particular one, you didn't get results, we show you another one, you do it this way, you get results. Because some kind of spirituality may not work for. This one may work for somebody, this one may not work for you. Do you understand? So we will be showing you different versions and you will pick from it and try it, and definitely it will work for you. Yes. So now we are talking about this leaf. How do you use this leaf of good luck leaf? Good luck leaf. This is what they call it. You know, English at times you want to use English to translate your language. It may not sound straight, but this is good luck leaf. You are doing business, or somebody is owing you money, or you want to call somebody on the phone, you want to talk so that your word will have acceptance. Your word will carry weight. Your word will carry express, you know, pass. Or you are going for an interview, maybe it's an oral interview, they are going to call you. You are going to talk. All you need to do, if you have this, just put as small as this. As small as this on your mouth. Chew it. Say it. They say, talk the talk. Yes. Now, that is if maybe you are into marketing, you are into your business, the type that you go and talk and you want people to patronize you, then you can do this. But if your business is the type that maybe you sell something, this and that, all you need to do is to get this leaf. Take some pinch of it. If you like, pound it. Okay? You can pound it or you can blend it. You can just pound it very small. Add it to your bathing water. Use it to bathe. You are a lady. Nobody is coming for your hand in marriage. Your man is patronizing you. Nobody is patronizing you. And the leaf is very tasty. It's nice in the mouth. Yes. So, what you need to do, you just add this to your bathing water. You have daughters. You are a mother, you're watching me, you see me right now. You have daughters who are yet to marry. Or your daughters are 27 years, 28 years, 29, 30. They are going, and yet nobody is coming to say hi. No serious boyfriend, no serious relationship. Just give them this. Let them squeeze it or pound it or whatever. Add it to their water. Pray over it. Bathe. Even once is okay. Even once is okay. That bad luck will be washed away. This thing is not myth and legend. This thing is not book. This is spirituality. Yes, I used to tell us that time will come, and that time is now when spirituality will become physicality. Yes, so try this and you'll be amazed. Yes, this leaf will surprise you. This is an ancient knowledge and it is working. That is why you see this leaf is the most scarce leaf in the market. You can't get it. It's very scarce. I was surprised to my bones when I was able to get some quantity, because I don't want to talk about it before, on this video, before I lay my hands on it. So if I'm telling you something, I want to bring it physically to come and show you, and that is why I'm bringing this now. Okay, all right guys, please let us try this, okay, and you'll be fine. Let me do my thing. Bye.